What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another motovlog. A couple things. I'm headed back to work, but I just wanted to show you guys this real quick because I got to get back. Fairing came in that I ordered. I talked about a few videos ago, and I'll show you what it looks like. There it is. Matte finish to match the matte paint on my bike, and this thing will go like that. So that's kind of what we're looking for. I think it looks pretty good. And like I said, I'm gonna get a little, probably a thicker stripe in the middle and two thin ones on the side going up this thing and maybe down here. Guy in town's gonna do that, and it should look pretty good. It's gonna match the gray that's on this logo, and he's got the exact final color I need. So look forward to an install video on that in the coming week. And also the decycled shirts have come in. They came in last Friday, and just to show you what they look like printed, there's the front and there's the back. Remember, they're 15 bucks a piece. Proceeds benefit We Rock the Spectrum Gym for this first run. So make sure and check out We Rock the Spectrum Gym in the description below. There'll be a link. And yeah, buy a shirt. Leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you on how you can buy one. And I don't know if you guys are looking into phone mounts for your bike, but this Ram Mount X Grip, this is the best one I could find, and it was about, I don't know, 45, 50 bucks, but it's worth every penny. It's got a great grip, and it works out really well. It's so easy to put on and off. It just vices right to your bars with this. You just loosen that or tighten it, and you position it where you want, and there you go. You have access to your phone right there. Just back it up. Back it up. Yep, just back it up. You guys seen Ant-Man? That scene where they're backing up the truck and the guy just back it up. Back it up. That's what we're doing. We're just backing it up. The thing I'm thinking about doing when I get that fairing on is sticking my garage door opener inside it. That way I don't have to do this every time, because this garage door doesn't have an opener and closer. It's got to be done manually. This side does. I know I should probably just put an opener on this side, but we're hoping to move soon, so there's really no point. And whoever buys it can do that if they want. But you guys do that with yours? Do you have a little garage door opener on the inside of your fairing or mounted to your bike somewhere? I think that might be a good idea. I'll have to see what kind of room I have when I get that fairing put on. There might be plenty of room. So I might be risking it right back to work. It kind of looks like rain right now, but it's really not supposed to. It's just supposed to be cloudy. It's supposed to get up to about 64, 65, maybe even 68, I think I saw. But who knows? The weathermen got their heads up their asses lately. Alright, so a couple more things to talk about here. One thing's pretty exciting. Just this past Saturday I attended Ted's Harley Davidson's spring opener event down Malton. Click up here and you'll see that video if you haven't yet. Anyway, I was going through my Instagram yesterday and I got a message from the manager of the dealership down there, and he kind of reached out to me and said, "Hey, I liked the video you did. It was good." And I said, "Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it." You know, and I just went down there with just the intention of filming a nice video for my channel and giving Ted's a little promotion. I wasn't looking for anything in return. But he came out and said, "Hey, my dad, who is the owner of the dealership, saw your video, shared it, and asked if I would be interested in doing some of the marketing for them." I was like, holy crap, that's awesome. So kind of went over a few things. I'm still thinking it over, thinking about doing it. I mean, it's not going to interfere with my real job, which, you know, of course, is my number one occupation is my real 9-to-5 job I have. But this would be like freelance, weekends, and, you know, evenings whenever I have time. Well, I just need to go over a few details and just ask, hey, are we doing this? How much are we doing? Are we doing a bunch of videos? How much are we doing? Because I got to make sure I have some time, you know, for my wife and kids. You know, I can't have it interfering with my real job, and I want to make sure I can still do my motovlogs at the same time. So So we'll see. I'm gonna go have a sit down with them maybe soon and kind of see what they're wanting. And maybe we come up with some cool ideas to help promote the dealership. Because I know summer's coming up. They're gonna have lots of events at the dealership and lots of rides and stuff going on. So maybe it will be a lot of work, but we'll just have to see. It should be fun work, I know that, because you know when you're really interested in your work, it doesn't seem like work. But I'm pretty excited about that. Like I said, I had no intention of getting anything from filming this video. I just wanted to film a video and, you know, have a good time doing it, kind of show you what goes on in these parts of the country at a dealership. And I liked how the video turned out. It's had a pretty good response so far. So nothing else is really new. I've seen we've gained a few more subscribers over the weekend. Thank you guys very much for joining the channel. I hope you like the content. And leave me a comment below, guys. Let me know if there's something you want to see, a topic you want me to discuss, or anything. I'm game for anything. I know it's hard for creators to come up with new content, but I want to make sure the content I create is stuff that you want to see. So drop me a line below, let me know, and we'll see what we can do. But in my last video, I was talking about Grafton, Illinois, which is a small river town that's just down the ways from Alton on the River Road. I know we'll be filming some good footage there this summer. There'll be a couple rides we're going to do at Ted's this summer. I know me and my wife are. So there should be some good content coming this summer. Stick around for that. So I'm going to leave you with a little more music. You guys take it sleazy. I'll see you later. Please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Tell your friends. And I'll see you next time. Later.
Fucking hate you. Okay, now believe it, I pretend to, because it's easier this way to help me make it through the day. I tell my friends I fucking hate you, 'cause you and me, we called it quits. You been what to do. I lie like usual. See, it was mutual. We both know because it quits. Trust.